How long do you think it'll take us to get to Mars, Dimitri? Cleaning your windows can make a world of difference, and it's actually really easy to do. I always put this off, I'm such a procrastinator, but today I'm going to show you the best way to speed clean your windows. For this, I'm going to be using my eco-friendly cleaning kit. If you haven't already seen that video, be sure to check it out. I've linked it in the description box below, and there is a tiny little card in the right-hand corner that will take you to that video if you're wondering what's inside. The first thing to keep in mind is to do this on a day that's overcast. You want it to be overcast because in direct sunlight, the liquid is going to dry really quickly onto the windows, leaving hard to clean streaks. If you're absolutely committed to doing this on a sunny day, start on the shady side of your house, and hopefully by the time you work your way around, the windows on the sunny side will have some shade. The next thing to remember is to always vacuum and clean your sills and sashes before you start spraying on liquid. If you skip this step, then any of the liquid that drips onto the sills is gonna create a muddy mess. Don't be stingy with your cleaning liquid. If you've got really dirty windows, you're gonna need more cleaning solution to get off all that extra layer of dirt and grime because it's gonna actually break down any of those substances. I've recently found out that people swear by using newspapers, but I'm still gonna stand firm on use your microfiber cloths. These are really easy to wash once you're done using them, and they can be reused many times. If you're committed to using newspaper or paper towel, make sure you purchase something that isn't going to tear or leave any lint behind. Clean vertically on one side and horizontally on the other. That way, if you do end up leaving any streaks on the glass, you'll know what side of the glass it's on. How genius is that? Remember when I said that would be fast? We're already at the end of the video. And that's it. That's all you need to do to clean your windows. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want help cleaning something else, let me know and I'll maybe make a video about it. Leave it in the comments below and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. You're still here, so you might as well click to the next video. There's one here, and there's a subscribe somewhere near my face.